This is Code.org. I'm currently working on CS Fundamentals. This lesson is part of the Express course, Lesson 15, and part of Course D, where it is Lesson 12. Until Loops in Maze, Puzzle 8. Help the zombies get to the sunflower. Alright, this sounds familiar. So I think we'll want to do what we have been doing, repeat until sunflower, especially if we're only supposed to use 5 blocks. So we're going to run a repeat until sunflower. And then what will we repeat? Well, we can only use one move forward. All right. So there are a few options here. If we ask each time we take a step, right, if there's a path ahead, that could help us. So what this will do is every single step we take, we will check. Here, I'll show you. If there's a path. So what we're saying is if path, and there is a path ahead, right? So if path ahead, so now I'm going to step one more time. It's going to ask the computer if there's a path ahead. True, there is. And so the next step, move forward. Step one more time, watch, I'll check if there's a path. And the next step, I'll move forward. When it is false, when we're done, when there's no path, I will stop moving and we would run code below it. So this will get us to the end. What do we want to do at the end, though? Well, I would want to turn left if I want to get here eventually. Oop, I got to reset. Now, once I turn left, I want to walk all the way to the end again, but I've already used my move forward. Once I get to the end, I'm going to want to turn, well, left again and walk all the way. So I notice it repeating. So I want to do the same thing, I think, until I get to the sunflower. Let's give it a shot. So what will happen is we're going to repeat move forward until we get to the end of the path. When we get to the end of the path, we'll turn left. Then we hit the bottom of this. It checks, are you at the sunflower? False, I'm not at a sunflower. We drop below in and say, okay, start moving forward again. Since I just turned left, I'd be facing this way. Once I hit here, this is keep moving forward. No path ahead. So false, we drop below. We turn left again, which is this way. Hit the bottom of this, go back, are you at the sunflower? Nope, and then we'll keep moving forward. I think this will do it. But now I also want to show you we can use this fancy if thing too that they haven't told us much about. So instead of doing this, I can say, whoop, oop, not turn left, I went repeat until we're at the sunflower, move forward. Obviously this won't work. I'm going to hit this wall and keep trying to keep going because we're not at the sunflower. Boom, boom. We're not at the sunflower. Keep moving, keep moving, keep moving, right? That is an issue. So what I do then is before I tell the character to move, I ask if to path to the left. So every time before I take any steps, I ask the computer, hey, is there a path to the left? And if there is, if path to left, well, what would I want to do? I know I'm going to want to turn left. So before every step, we're asking the computer if path to left. And so reset way down here, false. There's no path to the left. So if it's false, we don't run this code inside. We skip that. We move forward. We hit the bottom of the loop, go back around, right? And we say, oh, not at the sunflower. Okay, if path to left, well, I'd be standing here. False. There's no path, right? So if path to left, false. Now we'll move forward. Now I'm going to check it again. Well, we'll hit the repeat. So we're going to run it again. I'm going to check again if there's a path. False, I'll move forward. If it's true, if there is a path, I'll turn left, then move forward. This should do the same thing the last code did. Ta-da! So either one of those answers would work. Let's keep going.